concept of isotopes, isobars, isotones. So first one, isotopes. Isotopes. Isotopes means elements having same atomic number, different mass numbers are called isotopes. Example for the isotopes: hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, that is 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Atomic numbers are 1, but the mass numbers are 1, 2, 3. First one is called protium, second one is called deuterium, and third one is called tritium. Protium, deuterium, tritium. Among these 3, the third one is radioactive element. Tritium. So these 3 are hydrogen only. Their atomic numbers are same, but mass numbers are different, which are called isotopes. Similarly, carbon has isotopes: C612, C613, and C614. 3 isotopes are there. The C614 is radioactive, which is used in carbon dating. Carbon dating means a technique which is used for calculating the age of stones and bones. That is called carbon dating. Like there are all elements. Oxygen also has isotopes: O816, O817, and O818. Even sodium has sodium 1123, sodium 1124. Chlorine has 1735, chlorine 1737. Like elements which have same atomic number, different mass numbers will be called as a isotopes. Next, isobars. Isobars is the reverse of this. That is, elements having different atomic number but same mass number are called isobars. Atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same. For example, nitrogen 714, carbon 614. Carbon 614 is isotope of the carbon. This one is located with nitrogen. Atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same. So these both are called as a isobars. Same way, sodium 1124, which is the isotope of sodium. Isotope of a sodium is sodium 1124, is isobar with the magnesium 1224. So these elements have different atomic number but same mass number. They are called as a isobars. Next one, isotone. Isotones. Isotones means elements having same number of neutrons. Elements having same number of neutrons will be called as a isotones. For example, C613, N714. Are their atomic numbers are same? Mass numbers? Not same. But calculate number of neutrons. What is the formula for number of neutrons? Mass number minus atomic number. So number of neutrons here, mass number minus atomic number, 13 minus 6 equal to 7. Here also number of neutrons is equal to 14 minus 7 equal to 7. The number of neutrons of both elements are same. So isotones is not compulsory should have same atomic number and same mass number or different whatever. The atomic number, their mass numbers are differ. But finally the number of neutrons are same. They will be called as a isotones. Same way you can take one more example. Sodium 1123, magnesium 1224. If you calculate here number of neutrons is equal to 23 minus 11, 12. Magnesium 24 minus 12, it is also 12. So number of neutrons are same in both the cases. So it will be called as a isotones. Simple, elements having same number of neutrons will be called as a isotones. And the next one, isotonic number. Isotonic number. So isotonic number is difference between neutrons and protons. Difference between neutrons and protons will be called as a isotonic number. For example, C613 I will take. In C613, protons is equal to 6. Neutrons equal to 7. Difference how much present? 1. So isotonic number is 1 for the C613. Similarly, tritium you can take. One of the isotope of hydrogen, tritium, 1H3. In tritium, number of protons is 1. Number of neutrons is 2. Difference how much present? 1. So 1 is isotonic number. If you take argon 1840, argon 1840, number of protons 18, number of neutrons equal to 22. Difference how much present between this? Don't make proton minus neutron or neutron minus proton, just difference you see. The difference between these two is 4. So isotonic number of argon is 4. Isotonic number is 4. So like this you can calculate isotonic number. Difference between protons and neutrons will be called as a isotonic number. Next one, isodiaphers. 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 Isodiaphers means elements having same isotonic number. Same isotonic number will be called as isodiaphers. For example, here you look at C613 and tritium 1H3. Here isotonic number of this, isotonic number of it is 1, for this also 1. Both have the isotonic number is 1, hence this both will be related as a isodiaphers, which have same isotonic numbers are called as a isodiapher. Got idea? C613 isotonic number 1, 1H13 also isotonic number 1. So when isotonic numbers are same decay, they will be called as a isodiaphers. And next one, isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species means isoelectronic species. In the name itself is there, isoelectronic, same electron. Having same electron. Species having same number of electron. Same number of electrons is called isoelectronic species. That is, for example, I will take sodium and sodium plus, sodium plus and neon. Generally sodium means 11 electron, but sodium plus means loss of 1 electron. So out of 11 electron, 1 electron gone. How many electrons are remain? 10. So Na plus has 10 electron, neon also has 10 electron. So this both called isoelectrons, and these are called the isoelectronic species. Same way, Al plus 3 and F minus are isoelectronic species. Aluminium generally will have 13 electron, but aluminium plus 3 means this, loss of 3 electron. So in this also we will have 10 electron. Fluorine generally 9 electron, but fluoride minus, 1 minus unit is there, means it is accepted one. So 9 plus 1, 10. It is also has 10 electron. So this both also comes isoelectronic species. Same way, K plus and Ca plus 2 also will become isoelectronic species. Because potassium means 19 electron, but K plus means what? Loss of 1 electron. So here how many electrons will be? 18 electrons only. Calcium means 20, but calcium plus 2 means loss of. So this all has 18 electrons only. Since all have same number of electron, all will be called as a isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. And the last one, isosters. Isosters. What is mean by isosters? Isosters is species having same number of atoms and electrons. Same number of atoms and electrons will be called as a isosters. Electrons and atoms will be same, then it will be called as a isoster. Example for isoster, you can take CO3 minus 2 and NO3 minus. Look at in this, electron we calculate first of all. What are atoms are present? Carbon, oxygen. Carbons are present only one carbon. One carbon means 1 into 6 electron. Carbon atomic number 6 electrons will be. Oxygens are present 3. Each oxygen will have 8 electron. So 3 into 8 is 6 electron. 3 into 8, 24 electron. And what charge is given on this? Minus 2 given. Minus 2 charge given means accepted 2 electron. Minus 2 given. Minus 2 what is indicates? Accepted 2 electron. So you have to add 2 more electron. Then total how many electrons is going to become? 32 electrons. Same way come for nitrate. If you take nitrate, NO3 minus. Nitrogen present, one nitrogen, each one consists of 7 electron. Oxygen 3 present, each one consists 8 electron, that is 24. Minus 1 charge is there. Minus 1 means what? Accepted one. So that is 1 electron. Total here also how many became? 32 electron. So number of electrons are same. At the same time, here how many atoms are there? 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 4 atoms. In this also, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygen, 4 atoms. So in this example, atoms are same, electrons also same. That's what they are called as a isosters. Some more example for isosters you can take. SO4 minus 2, PO4 minus 3, also isosters. Similarly, CO and Cn minus, also isosters, having same number.